Hey everybody, Jason Coates here at Operation Blended Warrior, here with Prasanth. Prasanth, how you doing?
Good, just finished up the last block, so excited.
Excellent, excellent. We really enjoyed all the information you guys were giving us, and it's been intriguing these last couple of days, seeing everything that you guys were doing. We're definitely curious, what does it take to put this entire operation together?
There's a lot of work. I mean, they started planning this back right after last ITSEC. You know, they're planning meetings, trying to coordinate everybody, and then from my perspective, the technical side, we kind of came in maybe like 4 or 5 months ago, building the infrastructure, designing what we're going to do, having all our VLANs set up and everything. So then within the last 2 months was the heavy testing. You know, all the industry partners coming to us, connecting up, making sure everyone plays well. You know, they talked about interoperability, enumerations matching, things like that. So we went through, you know, vigorously testing, make sure, hey, do you see this? Do you see that? Does it look like a real thing, or does it look like a beach ball to you? Making sure comms works and all that stuff. So it's been a tiresome but very rewarding whole process of just getting it to this point.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
Very exciting, very exciting. What are some of the technical difficulties that you guys see throughout the process, and how does the team really come together to make sure that everything runs smoothly?
So one of the big things, like we said, was enumerations matching. You know, we tried coordinating with everyone, say, hey, what are the entities you want to see? What do you want to see on there? And making sure that everyone's got the right model, making sure they got the right database, tailoring databases, and when doing the integrations, okay, this jet doesn't look like the jet, it looks like a helicopter. Well, let's fix that. Do you have the model? No? All right, let's talk to some of our partners, see if maybe they can provide something like that. So that was one of the challenges. And then comms, everybody comes with their own software and stuff, so you gotta make sure that the standards are correct. You're using the right ports and all that stuff, and everyone can talk together really well.
Excellent. Yeah, we noticed behind the scenes here, everybody's got their private headsets on, and everyone's communicating while the entire operation's going on. What are some of the things you guys are talking about, and some of the behind the scenes communication that we don't hear about?
So one of the things is before the vignettes are starting, I'm on a separate tech line. You know, we're checking video feeds. Hey, the company will come in and say, "Do you see my video feed?" I check, say, "No, we don't." Okay, we'll go send somebody to troubleshoot. You know, making sure everyone's communicating, all the comms are up and running. So, and then also talking with my team here and making sure, hey, somebody's not working. Maybe we have something going down on our side. Sending people to places to figure out what's the problem, where it is at, and trying to fix it all quickly as possible so that nothing disrupts the actual show that's going on.
What are some of the things that we can expect to see either the same or differently for next year?
Probably a little bit of the same, but trying to maybe incorporate different. So this year, one of the things was after action review, maybe expanding on that a little bit more, taking what we've done. It's always about expanding, learning, taking what we learned, making adjustments and changing, and seeing if we can do better and better. So I don't know, from what I'm hearing, they're starting to plan for next year already, so we'll take what they get,
Amazing.
What objectives we want to see, and move forward from there.
Cool. Well, Prasanth, thank you so much for being with us today.
Yeah.
Really appreciate you taking the time to be in the interview. And this is Jason with ITSEC TV, and we'll see you guys again next year.